Hi, it's January 12th, 2024, and it's almost 3 o'clock in the morning Central Standard Time. And of course, we have another weather system coming through the United States. This is the map from the National Weather Service, and all these different colors mean something different. The key is right below, and I have all my links that will be in my description box. So you can see also this is Hawaii, and Alaska has things going on there too. These red are blizzard. These are winter weather warnings or watches. Down here, this yellow is tornado watch. So, and the weather system goes way down into Texas. Florida seems to be free right now. But this is what it says up above. A winter storm will bring heavy snow, strong winds, and blizzard conditions from the mid-Missourian Valley to the Great Lakes through Saturday. Behind the system, frigid temperatures are likely to cross the Rockies and Plains through this weekend. Severe thunderstorms are possible across the southeast today, with strong winds, hail, and a few tornadoes possible. And then there's more that can be read. I just want to show you for my town, little town I live in Wisconsin. Here is the daily. So from starting tonight, in just a little while, it's going to start snowing, heavy snow, and then all day tomorrow, Friday night, 100%, and into Saturday. Saturday night, some more snow, and then the high is going to drop down. Like right now, it's in the 30s. But it's going to drop down to 2 on Sunday. Monday is going to be 0. And then if I go down here farther, it's like all week it's going to be cold. With Thursday finally warming up to 14 degrees. Every January it gets like this. I always have to watch to make sure a few pipes don't freeze. But this is dangerous for kids going to school. Martin Luther King Day, I think in the United States, most kids don't have school. But, and unbelievably, they closed all the schools in Wisconsin already. And they used to do that at like 6 o'clock in the morning so parents didn't have time to figure out what they were going to do with their kids. But that's because of the snow. But because it's going to be so cold, typically around this time of year, people have problems with their car starting and situations like that. So be safe. Let's go back to the... When I'm on here, I can see the whole map just by going up here to Home on the National Weather Service link. And then if you want to look at something in some area, like let's look down here, I just click on it. And then it lets me know what's happening in Little Rock, Arkansas. These red are much more severe than the yellow or the green. And lots of times there's a tornado in that system. So let's just try another spot just so I can show you. Let's go up here to Idaho. Boise, Idaho. So wow, they have a good channel. They talk about driving, how to be safe, and then all these things going on. So let's go back. Actually, I want to show you on the College of DuPage here. This is the United States under here, even though you can't see it very well. This is where I live, right around in here in Wisconsin. There is a little button off to the side that you can't see that I can make this move. And you can see this system moving down. And that's part of what's bringing the cold air. And this is going up. And this kind of is just sitting here. But this cold air is moving across. The College of DuPage up here, if I click, I can get radar of my area, but what it shows is it kind of covers it up because it shows the alert. Look at this beam coming down here that's always there, it seems like. So the white is definitely snow, purple is possibility of, and this is Wisconsin under here. But I can also go over here and I can see continental and click on the button, and then I can see for the whole United States. And even though you can't see it very well, down in here they do have red geometrical shapes that are letting you know that there's tornado possibility in there. Look at how weird that looks right there. I can also make it closer on College of DuPage just by clicking over here on localize and click one of these. Let's do this just to let you see what it does. Well, that's taking a while. So, excuse me. It gets me closer to what's going on here. Okay, let me show you something else. I want to show you, I can also go under global here, and I can get a lot of areas all the way over to, I'm way over by Africa. So the sun's coming up over there, and I can see the cloud patterns there, which I think is pretty cool. Okay, so let me go somewhere else now. This is the El Dorado weather map, and all these buttons up here will take you to different places, which is really cool. I'm going to go on the maps and radar, and I'm going to go under the lightning radar. I want you to see that because I think it's really interesting also. North America Animated Lightning Radar. And there are some commercials, but we'll get here in just a minute. Okay, here we are. That's where lightning is occurring in the United States right now. And that, to me, is extremely interesting. It's also happening off to the side, but you can't see that on my screen here. Let's see what else I can get. I can also zoom in just by clicking at it. And then, oops, we still can't see what's off to the side. There is a little storm off to the side. Okay, let me show you more. So from here, this is where we saw the lightning. I can go to this button and I can look at lightning in different areas around the world. So let's look at Europe, and it takes my computer a couple seconds to get there. Okay, here we are. And this line is just simply light. So there's some lightning out here, lightning out in the ocean, lightning down here. This is the key to the lightning over here. It's interesting that it's in the water instead of the land, instead of on the land. I thought I'd just show you New Zealand. There's some different lightning strikes up here in the ocean, but not any on the land. It doesn't look like today, right now. Okay. Alright, now I'm back on El Dorado, and I wanted to show you I used to find this really fascinating, was the water vapor. So we're going under United States water vapor. So here we have it. There's a description about how it's measured right here. And the water vapor looks a little different than the clouds for some reason. I can view it larger, slower, faster. I can stop it. I can zoom in anywhere I want. I love that. I can also go up here and look at smoke, which was a big deal over the summer. And I can look at states, or I can look at the whole United States. And that's down here. Just click on it. Don't pay any attention to those ads. So here there's information that you can read. and fire outlook, but I wanted a map. Let's see. So the map was above that information. And right now, it doesn't look like there's a smoke danger. But they do talk about dry, windy weather conditions in Lower Grande Valley. Briefly, critical fire weather conditions. And they talk about more. So, I'm just back on the National Weather Service to end this. Woo-wee! This is exciting, actually. It's been dark and gray and kind of a minimal, not much happening. So, this is some exciting activity. Stay safe. Carry things in your car, such as something to keep you warm. There was a really bad storm that went through Chicago one year, and a lot of people went to work and they didn't even have their winter coats. They got trapped in their cars. Some of them froze to death. Simple things like that. Blanket, water will freeze. But you can take an insulated bottle from inside your house out to your car with you when you leave and bring it back in when you come home. So, and a little bit of food is a good idea. All right, I hope you all stay safe. I love you. Have fun this weekend. I'll just lift this up so we include Alaska and Hawaii also. And then I didn't even look at American Samoa. Everything looks good there right now. Going to Guam. No watches or warnings. Wonderful. Going to Puerto Rico. A few little systems. Not the same as these. All right, like I said, have fun this weekend. Stay warm. Don't drown. Tell people you love them and be kind. And this, by the way, too, is freezing cold weather. And this can get very, very dangerous. So take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.